Hello everyone, Sharif Abuzid here with the second part of this free training about how to create a membership website using WordPress. If you're not following my YouTube channel, I am creating a 6-part video series. This is a free training about selling and setting up memberships using WordPress. In the first part of this series, I have already explained in details how we can quickly launch our basic website. That includes our main pages, contact page, coaching page, or our blog posts using the Cadence theme, Cadence blocks, and a starter template. I have already explained how we can, change the content, the images, the fonts, and the colors. I will leave down below a link for the first part first part of this video series. If you haven't watched it, I highly recommend that you start by watching it. Now, for the second part, which is the topic of this video, I will show you how we can, set up a membership level using Wishlist Member, which is my number one recommended membership plugin. I will show you how you can create like 2 levels of membership, what are the main settings of this membership, of each membership level, and also I will show you how you can protect certain parts of your website that can be only accessible by the members of each membership level. Also, down below you'll find a link to a free checklist that I have written, a 7-step checklist for everyone who wants to quickly launch their membership website. You'll find certain steps that you need to follow if you plan to launch a membership website using WordPress. Now, let me quickly show you how you can install and launch your membership levels. As I mentioned, I'll be using the Wishlist Member plugin to set up the membership features of my website, and this is the link of the website, wishlistmember.com. Down below I will leave my affiliate link for Wishlist Member. But anyway, let me show you why I highly recommend Wishlist Member. The main reason actually that I highly recommend the plugin is the number of integrations or direct integrations that this plugin provides. So if you go to the integrations page here, you'll find that the plugin is directly integrated with so many payment providers such as Authorize.net, PayPal, Stripe, Kickstart, Samcart, Thrivecart, and so many other payment gateways. Also, it is directly integrated with so many email providers such as ActiveCampaign, Aweber, Constant Contact, Drip, ConvertKit, and so many others. And by direct integrations here, I mean that you don't have to buy another plugin to be able to integrate your membership plugin with something like WooCommerce, for example, or something like your email marketing provider such as ConvertKit or ActiveCampaign. That's why I highly recommend that you use Wishlist Member, and also the plugin is directly integrated with some other services such as Contact Form 7, Divi, which is an amazing page builder, also Easy Webinar, Formidable Forms, Fluent Forms, Google Ads, and so many other services. But still, if you are looking for a more lightweight membership plugin that has less functionality or less integrations, you can definitely go to and check out Sure Members. Sure Members is another membership plugin that I highly recommend that you check out. My main objection with Sure Members is the less number of integrations. If you want to have more integrations with Sure Members, you will need to use a separate plugin called Sure Triggers. It is actually developed by the same team who developed Sure Members, but with the Wishlist Member you already have like direct integrations with all of these services. But Sure Members is also another plugin that I highly recommend for creating membership levels. Anyway, so I'll show you how you can use Wishlist Member, and if you want me to create a video about how you can use Sure Members also, please let me know down below in the comments. So anyway, once you buy your Wishlist Member, once you buy it, you'll have access to your account, and under downloads you can access your license key, and also you can download the plugin, and the plugin can be installed like any other plugin. So I have just went to my plugins and click add new plugin, and I have already uploaded and activated Wishlist Member, as you can see in this plugins screen. And here at the left part of the screen, I have a new item called Wishlist Member. So now let me show you how we can actually launch our first membership level. So let's click wishlist member. And this is a wizard that comes with wishlist member if you are trying to set up your first membership level. So let's go through it. Let's click start, and here you will need to add your license key. So let me just add my license key here, and let's click save and continue. And then we need to add a membership level name. I will call this, let's call this basic level, for example. Okay, basic membership level, and let's click save and continue. And here we can choose our payment provider and email marketing provider, but I will leave this for I think the third and the fourth part of this video series. So let's click save and continue. And here you can just check these options. For example, if you want to have like a free registration page automatically created, you can do this here, a free or styled membership login page. So I will just I will choose to leave or to have a styled membership login page. I will switch off this. I will have a free registration page for free users. Yes, I will use this one. Member welcome page. Okay, members dashboard. That's fine. And then I will click save and continue. And then click finish. And here you go. Now we have our first membership level created. Usually you'll find like some videos that pop up, and this is a good and a nice feature for wishlist member, because they are always giving you documentation and training about how you can use the plugin itself. So let me just close this now. And here you'll find this is the dashboard of the plugin itself, and this will give you like an overview about the performance of your membership business. For example, you will know how many users are registered inside your WordPress website, how many of them are members, how many of them are non-members, how many of them are active, cancelled memberships or expired, and the membership levels here as well, plus some links to support and tools. And here you'll find a checklist for they call it membership success checklist, which if you follow, you'll need to have like certain steps created to have like a full functional membership website, but I actually am going to show you how you can do this. So now we have created our first and basic membership level. The second part is that we need to create the content that we will protect using this membership level. And let me show you how you can actually globally protect some parts of your website. Now, to access the content protection settings of each of these membership levels, you need to go to content protection. But you know what? Before going to this, let me show you the main settings of each membership level. So let me just go to setup again, where we will have access to all of our membership levels. And if we click here, we will directly go to the settings of every membership level. So for example, in the first tab here, the access tab, we need to define our expiration options. And here by expiration or expire options, we have three options. The first one, which is ongoing, and this means that this membership level will be an ongoing for a very long time, for whatever time, until the member cancels their membership, okay? Or it can be like for a fixed term if you want to have this, like for example, for like 1 year only, or for like few weeks or months. You can set up how many days or weeks or months here, or even you can set up this for a specific date. For example, if you want this membership level to expire, for example, in next September, you can just choose it from here and choose your date. Usually you will have it like an ongoing process. And here you can just give the members of this membership level access to all of your posts or pages or comments and categories. But I usually leave this switched off. I will choose specific categories that are accessible by the members of this membership level. Now for the registration, and here you can select or limit if you want to have this membership level available for new and existing members or new only. I will choose to have this for new members only. Okay, let's go to requirements. Here you can choose if you want to have, like, if you want the admin to approve these memberships or not, and some other changes. Maybe you need them to select or to consent and approve your terms and conditions. If you want them to require your email, you can just switch this off here. If you want them to require their email before being confirmed as a member, and if you go to edit notifications here, you'll find that these are the notifications that are going to the members, and you can, of course, you can make all the changes you need. Here you can add content, you can add, make some styling changes here. Okay, so for additional settings, let me just switch this off. Now here you can select if for the expired levels, what should happen with the expired level, what happens with them. Okay, should you, for registration date reset, if you want for this to be reset for expired levels or for active levels. I mean, there are so many options here, but maybe you need to check out the redirect parts, and this is an important part of the settings of every membership level. For example, after registration redirect, what do you want to happen after someone registered for the first time for for this specific membership level? Maybe you need to redirect them to maybe like a welcome video that you have created to them. You can definitely set up this in this part. So if you want to, you can choose what to do by switching this on and then configure. And here you can choose if you want to redirect them to a page. You can just choose any welcome page from here. If you want to show them a message, you can just do this here. And if we expand this here, you can also add some content here. If you want to, redirect them to a specific, an external URL, you can do this from here. Okay. Usually I redirect people to another page after they register for my memberships. Okay. Again, you can choose after the login, after the logout, where do you want them to go. And these are the email notifications. I mean, after someone signs up for a membership level, what type of emails you want to happen, you need to send to them. Click here, you can just edit the notifications. There are two types of notifications actually: user notification and also admin notification. Here, this is the email that will be sent out to the admin of the website or the owner of the website. Usually I just switch off these, don't send email, because I don't need to be notified every time someone signs up for a membership level. User notification, usually I will leave this on, so the user will receive their name and email address. Just make sure this is secured enough, and login URL for them to quickly access their membership area. And that's it. These are the main settings that we need to have for our membership level. Now we need to set up the content that will be accessible only for the members of this membership level. So remember that in this training we said that we create two membership levels: silver level and gold level. For the silver level, they will have like access to specific content and also for specific recordings. And the best way, and actually the easiest way to have like content and protect content specific for certain members is to create a post category. So let me show you what I mean. So we have this basic membership level. Yes, we need to call them, silver. Let's call them silver. I just changed this to be like apply silver membership level. I need to create a category inside my posts and call it like silver tips. And this can be only read by the members of this membership level. Let me show you what I mean. So let me go to posts and go to categories and create a new category and call it silver tips. Okay, silver tips. And let's add this new category. Now I can create a new category inside a new post and add it to my silver tips categories. So let's go to posts and create a new post here. Let me copy some content here. Let me just copy this content here and add it inside this post like this. And let's call this like silver tips for coaches, for example. Okay, and let's add a featured image. Let me add from my media library, for example, just for the sake of simplicity. Let's add this here as a featured image, and let's choose the category of silver tips. Okay, and let's click publish and publish again. Now let me try to view this post in incognito mode. You'll find that I still can access this blog post, but I need this blog post to be available only for the people who are inside or who have bought my silver membership level. So if someone is trying to access this blog post, which I will add some certain content here, they can't read it unless they are members of my silver membership level. Let me show you how you can do this. What you can do actually is like a global setting is that you need to go to your wishlist member settings, and under content protection, here you can just go to categories, and for the silver tips you can just choose it and click for the actions and add to levels and choose silver membership level and then click add to level. This means that every new post or every post that falls under the category of silver tips can be only accessed by the people who have access to the silver membership level. So let's go back again to the post itself. And by the way, there is another step that you can do here. Let's go to posts. And this is, let me find the post that we have managed. It will be like, this is the post. Let's choose it and mark this as add protection. And let's call this inherit. What does this mean? It means that this post will inherit the protection status of its category. If the category is protected, automatically this post will be also protected by the category page. So let me just click refresh here. Sometimes it takes so much time. Let me just flush the cache. Let's click refresh. And now it is inherited. Now let me try to open this post again. Let me show you. So let's go to the post. Let's try to open it. Let me close it. Yes, it's closed. Let me try to open it again. Here. It is still unprotected. Why? Because here I haven't refreshed. Let me just refresh here. And make sure at the bottom of the page of this post actually that I'm choosing the inherit protection status. So let me go here. It is inherited here. You see at the bottom of the page of the post, we have a section called wishlist member, and this says this post will inherit the protection from the silver tips category. It will be like protected. It will inherit the silver membership level, which means that this post is protected and can be accessed only by the people who have access to the silver membership level. And let's try to open this post again here. Let's click incognito mode and let's see what shall happen. Now I can't access the post because I'm not logged in and I'm not a member of the silver membership level. So let's say that we go to the blog page itself. I try to access this one. For example, this is not a protected content. Okay, I can access it. But when I try to access this one, silver tips for coaches, I can't access it because I'm not part of the silver membership level. So now we have already created our first post. All we need to do now is to create like different posts and add them into the category of the silver tips themselves. So let me show you how you can do this again. So let's add a new post here. Now let's try to access this post here. Let me see what shall happen. Again, I am redirected into like a general message that about this content is protected. I need to register or log in to access this content. And even if I try to access the category page, if I try to go to the silver tips category page itself, you'll find that the category page is also protected. But as you can see here, this is a generic message. What I'm missing here is a chance to ask people to join and buy my membership. And to do this, we need to have two steps. First, we need to set up a sales page for our silver membership level, and then we need to set up a redirect rule that if someone is trying to access this membership content and they don't have access to it, I need to display this sales page. So let's do the first step, which is the sales page. So let's go back to the back end of our website and let's create a new page. And let's call it like join silver membership, for example. Join silver membership, for example. I don't need to spend so much time, adding content. So what I will do, I just go to the design library, added by cadence blocks. I will have access to already pre-designed pages. This can be used as like a sales pages or something like this. Let's choose one. Let's choose this one. Click here to download the page itself, and of course you can change everything here as I mentioned in the first part. So now we have set up our sales page. The second step that we need to do is that we need to set up the redirect rule for if someone is trying to access our content who is included inside the silver membership level. We need to redirect them to this page, and we can do this inside each post actually. So let's open one of the posts. Let's click refresh, and let's open this post here. And at the bottom of the page with the wishlist member box, you will have the option here for the system pages for non-members. Okay, we can choose to redirect them to a certain page. So let's search for silver membership, and let's click close, and let's click update, and let's try to open this post in incognito mode, and let's see what happened. And as you can see, I am redirected into the sales page of the silver membership level, which means that I can still make the content of the silver membership level displayed inside my blog pages, but if someone is trying to access it, they will be redirected into a sales page where I can ask them to buy my silver membership level, and I can just add a link here to my payment gateway and to ask people to give me money and join my membership level. Let me see if we need to be aware of any other settings about creating your membership levels. There is one last part I think that you need to be aware of, is that you can actually protect certain content inside your pages or inside your, let's say, available posts. Everyone can access it, but still you can add a block that is protected only by the people who are members of certain membership levels. Let me show you what I mean. So this is an available post. Women can choose to be wealthy. Everyone can access it. Even if I try to view it in incognito mode again, I will be able to view it. Okay, but still we can do a trick here. So if someone is reading it like every other post inside my website, I can give them a trick, or we can do a trick to upsell them to the paid content of our membership levels. Let me show you what I mean. So let me go to the post itself. So this is the post that I have here. Maybe I can add a link to a protected part inside my website, and I can do this. Let me add a row. For example, let me add a row, and inside the row, let me say that let's add a heading, and let's say March recorded, March live call recording, for example, recording. Okay, and below it, let me add, and below that, let me add another row. Okay, and inside the row, let me add a paragraph. Okay, and below here, let's add a link for our YouTube. Let's say that, of course, you need to have this in a protected part, but let me try to have like a link quickly from YouTube. So let me just, I have added my link. Let's click embed. And now this content can be accessed by everyone who is reading the post. So if we click update here and we try to, view the post, you will find that this is available for everyone who is trying to read the post. Let's try to view the post. You'll find the content is available. I mean, everyone can watch this March live call recording, but I need to protect this part only for the people who have access to my silver level. I can do this by going to the row layout, this row, and I can here under wishlist member part, I can just restrict the access to this to only the people who are inside certain membership levels. So let's choose this and let's choose only silver membership level. But what should happen if someone is not a member of the silver membership level and they try to access this content? Should you just hide the block or just show a message? I will show a message here and I will say this content is available under the silver membership level. Click here to join the membership, the silver membership. Silver membership. Let me just make this one here, fix this, and even let's make this one, let's make the background image, the background color of this, let's make this, let's style this, the background, let's say black, and let's say for the text, the style for the text, we need it to be white, and let's click update, and let's try to view the post again in incognito mode. Let's go down here. You'll find that this recording, yes, no one can access the video unless they are logged in and part of my silver membership, and they will see this message which says this content is available under the silver membership level only. And of course I can add a link here for my sales page for the silver membership level. Now the last part that I want to show you is that you can actually create a free membership level. You can just give content for people who are only logged in inside your website, and this can be easily done by creating just a new level and creating a specific form for the free users of this free membership level. And this can be a great way to ask people to join your community for free and then upsell them for a paid membership level. Let me show you how you can do this. What you need to do is that we need to go to wishlist member, and here under levels we can just click this plus icon here, and let's add a new level and call it free membership. Okay, let's click apply. Of course again you can just go through the main settings here, but what I need to do is that I need to go to under advanced options, under registrations. I need to create a custom registration form, because I don't need people to pay me money when they try to access or to join this free membership. I just need them to complete a free registration form. So let's click add a custom registration form. Let's call it free form مثلا, free level form. Let's call this free level form. Click apply. And then I can just ask them to add their username, first name, last name, and email, and password twice. And if you want to, you can add different, fields here, but I just need to keep this simple. And if I want to change this into like join for free, you need to click this pencil icon here and call this join for free. And let's click save. Now, of course, you need to protect certain parts of your content that can be accessed only by the people who have access to the free membership level. Then what you need to do is that you need to create a new page, and let's call this join free membership or free membership. Let's call this free membership, for example. And here we can add a row. Let's add a row here. Click here, add a title. Let's say add a heading, and let's say join for free and access pro tips, for example. Of course, you need to have like a clearer message. And let's add a paragraph just below it. Let me just go here, add a paragraph here. And then if we need to add the if we need to add the form itself, we just need to add the classic part, the classic here, and let's choose this one, and let's add a short code for registration form. And here we can choose to add the form for the free membership level, and let's insert a short code, and let's click publish again, and let's view this page in incognito mode. And here we go, I have this form that I need to complete. Maybe I need to make this only for free for new members, and we can do this by going again to the wishlist member setup, and let's go to our free membership level. I need to have this membership level only available for new members only, new free members. Let's choose new members only, and let's go back again to the page. Let's click refresh. Maybe I need to clear my cache. Yeah, here we go. Let's go back again to the page, and you know what, let's open it incognito mode. Let's open it again, and here you go. I just need to add my username, first name. Let me add this here. Let's click submit registration. Now I have been added to the website. Now I'm also logged in to the website, and I can access my members only content, and this way they can create a free membership level for everyone just to join your community, and then you can upsell them to a paid membership level. So that's it. This is everything that you need to know about creating membership levels using wishlist member. I think this can be, maybe this will seem like a complicated process, but if you just do the first membership level and you add all of your settings, this can be a very powerful way to set up your next membership level. Now let me see what is coming for the next video. Next video I will show you how you can actually sell your memberships. This will be done using PayPal as your payment gateway, but again you can do the same if you are using Stripe. Again, down below you'll find my affiliate link to wishlist member if you like to buy through my affiliate link. Also you'll find a link to the free checklist about 7 steps to launch your membership website very quickly. And that's it for this video, and see you in the next part of this free training. Now, thank you so much, and bye for now.